T, and I'm back with another video. We are in the babe cave, and no, we are not doing a makeup review today. Today I'm going to be reviewing some shoes. So if you guys are interested in seeing me do my second shoe review, because my first one was like the Uggs, but we're not going to get into that because it was whack. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and watch the intro. Duh. Where you going? You the cameraman?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
It's recording. I've been recording this whole time.
Oh, so today I'm going to review the Air Jordan 11 Retros, the Jubilee. I'm so excited to have this shoe, guys. Tony tried to get this shoe for me on the Nike app. My dad tried to get it at Foot Locker. What's the other shoe store? I can't even talk. Pivot Sports, that place right there, right? But he couldn't get it. We were our last weekend in Korea. Went to the shoe man. Oh, it's a lady though. It's the shoe lady. And we got the shoe. I paid more than retail, but that's what happens when you want a shoe. So let's get into it. First things first, Tony never lets me pop the tag on his shoes, right?
Because they my shoes.
Okay, I don't talk in your videos, I'm talking about so I'm gonna pop my tag.
Jesus, he popped the heck out of the tag.
Pop that tag, throw it over there. And we're gonna get right into the shoe. So I don't know how to do a shoe review, so I'm just gonna tell y'all what I like about the shoe. First and foremost, I love the fit. I had to get a half size smaller than I normally wear, but it's so snug. My feet do not hurt. I have plantar fasciitis, and that doesn't bother my foot right here, y'all. Like right here is where the foot normally hurts. It don't bother my foot right there at all. So my favorite part about the shoe is how it says Jordan going up on the shoelaces. However, a lot of men did not like this. My dad did not like this part. Tony didn't get a pair, so I'm assuming he didn't like this part either. Or maybe he just didn't like the price. The world may never know. But he made sure I got a pair. This is patent leather, right, Toni? Patent leather. With just a regular translucent bottom, no gum bottoms on this pair. I would have preferred gum bottoms because my red 11s, are these 11s? my carpet everywhere. My red 11s got the gum bottoms on the, on the bottom.
You don't have red 11s.
Yes, I do.
They 4s.
Never mind, I got 4s. I'm not a shoe person, I don't know my shoes. Honey is licking my feet. Come on, honey, you want to make your camera debut? Say hi, honey. Say hi.
Honey.
Hi. No, okay.
I almost got her.
She went in the frame?
I almost got her to look at the camera.
Oh. But I'm not a shoe person. Y'all know this shoe review probably suck. Tony gonna do some B-roll though. As you can see, I never wore them yet because I was waiting to do the review.
Wow.
She clearly wants her dad, so we're just gonna let her go over there.
Shout out to Alabama, even though your shirt from 2011.
My shirt is old, but they won this year, and that's all that matters. Get your life. They beat Ohio. Are you salty?
No.
You were salty when my parents were here.
I'm salty because I lost money on that game.
Oh, you should have never bet on Ohio. That was stupid of you.
Wow.
Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Yeah.
Like always,
it's a short video. Tony talking about video like he in the frame and he is not.
They saw me walking around.
Don't be walking around in my background. Honey, stop eating my rug. Oh. Anyways, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are now on the community tab because we did reach that 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys check out the community tab and look for us. That's it for me.
You told them they was watching Unboxed on Toni TV. Oh, they should know by now.
Yeah.
All right.
The intro. Gonna say Unboxed. The intro. You need to be wrong.
You want the screen up or not?
No, because I'll be looking at the screen. You can just stay there. You stay there.
For what?
To make sure I'm in the frame. I'm looking at the camera.
You in the frame. I gotta turn the TV down or shut your door. Girl, stop. Come on, you coming downstairs with me.
No. You saying the thing with me.
Huh?
I don't know what to say. What do I say?
Hey y'all, it's T.
I know how to do an intro. I know my intro. What is this?
Read the box.
Ooh, you should be recording this. Record this. I need blue.
It's recording.
Oh. What is this called?
That's
Tumble leather.
No, that's patent leather.
Patent leather. With the gum bottom.
That ain't gum.
Ooh, what kind is this?
It's just a regular bottom. It's icy. It's translucent. It's milky.
Ah, like the Milky Way?
That's carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah. That's regular leather. That's like, I don't know what the fuck that is.
Okay.
Gotta bleep that out.